everyone, and welcome to the EDIC Open House. I'm Vinitra Swami, the president of EPIC, our Graduate Student Association for IC. EPIC is in charge of organizing professional events, showcasing our industry collaborators and our very own professors, alongside social events from skiing trips and hiking adventures to city visits, aperos, and game nights. On behalf of our EPIC committee, congratulations on your admission to EPFL. We would have loved to show you around our campus and our beautiful city, but unfortunately this was not meant to be due to the current global situation. However, we hope this video gives you an idea of how life is like in Lausanne and at EPFL. If you'd like to meet us in person and learn the insider student perspective of EPFL grad school, you should definitely join us at our social events on gather.town on Thursday evening, Friday morning, and Friday evening at the link on the screen. You can also ping us anytime in the ICPHD Slack for any further questions that you have. And now we've asked a few current PhDs about their life at EPFL and compiled their answers for you. Here we go.
Research.
Community.
Mountains.
Teaching.
Oh, really? Your favorite thing about EPFL?
Definitely.
I really like how neat everything is, you know, everything's super organized.
I really like how in EPFL and Lausanne you can travel by bicycle everywhere, and I'm not alone because the bicycle parking spaces in BC are always very crowded.
My favorite place at EPFL is obviously my lab and my office, and my second favorite place is Point Below, because I got a bike and I can go everywhere in Lausanne with my bike.
My office with a view of the lake.
My favorite place is the Rolex Library.
My favorite place is the INM pyramid, and I also like walking next to the lake, which is not technically part of EPFL, but is very close.
My favorite place is the rooftop of the computer science building with the lake view.
My favorite place is EPFL Sports Center.
My favorite place is Satellite, which is EPFL Bar.
Oh, I mean, I miss the coffee machine.
Lab hikes we do together, and the coffee breaks we have together.
The thing I like the most about the lab was because I drink a lot of coffee, and then everyone would randomly invite me for coffee.
Having lunch on a sunny day on the Agora, which is right behind me.
So I was a part of like 3 or 4 coffee groups. And in a day where I was feeling not productive, I could spend the whole day drinking coffee.
Going for a walk to get the lunch. And also my lab seems to love talking about who should get the GPUs.
I'll go with coffee with Akil and Alberto, then with Christina, then with like Anastasia. Getting food or getting a cup of tea with my lab mates. I would have 5 people inviting me for coffee.
The Christmas dinner that we have every year.
And I always went to the same coffee machine. So I think this is the thing I really like, the coffee environment of the lab.
The D Mondays that we have, and D Monday is a weekly meeting that we have across the lab members on a Monday, and we are from the data science lab, so we call it D Monday.
We have a good coffee social life there. I think
Biggest surprise was shops being closed on Sundays and closing at 6 in the evening.
Is that a good surprise or a bad surprise?
The biggest surprise was how efficient the trains are, and you can reach absolutely everywhere all over Switzerland with public transport.
I was surprised by the beautiful and complex architecture the campus has. I got lost a few times.
The amazing, breathtaking nature around it.
I was surprised by how friendly people were and by how little I needed to speak French. I thought everything was going to be in French, but English is good enough.
So I thought I had eaten good chocolate before I came here, but apparently American chocolate does not compare to the Swiss chocolatiering standard.
I like raclette.
Rushdie? Or how do you pronounce it?
So
What surprises me, what not just raclette, but just I'm so like fascinated by having potato with cheese with this amount of appetite. Like just go for cheese on potato, and you're so excited about that.
there was this one time where friends and I went on a hike and we were super tired, and then we came back and a friend had a fondue pot and we put in the cheese and dipped the bread in, and it was absolutely delicious.
I'm from Brazil.
Mexico.
Reunion Island in France.
California in the United States.
I'm speaking. So what is the question really?
Are we recording this?